Hello class 7. I hope you all are good. Students, this is the fourth and the last video of this chapter, chapter 2, Rise and Spread of Islam. In last video we studied spread of Islam through trade, impact of Islam on literature, poetry and folklore. Today we will be doing Islamic architecture. The Arabs developed a beautiful style of architecture of their own. They have their own style of in the field of architecture. Using simple geometrical shapes, they could create attractive designs. Using simple geometrical shapes, they could create attractive designs with extremely fine workmanship. They use geometrical shapes for decoration in architecture. But why they did so? Because Islam prohibits the making of images of human being or animals. That's why you never see the image of Allah. Okay, because Islam prohibit idol worship. Arabs made geometrical and floral designs on wood, metal and textiles. Islamic architecture has a wide range of both secular and religious style from the foundation of Islam to the present day. Islamic architecture, they are inspired by both secular and religious style. The design and construction of structures within the sphere of Islamic culture. It is quite different from that of Romans and the Greeks. The principal architectural type of Islamic architecture are the principal architectural types of Islamic architecture are the mosque, the tomb, the palace, the fort. Okay, we can see here the impact of Islamic architecture. In book it is given the principle PAL, you will correct with PLE. Principle PRINCIPLE, you will correct. Okay, here it is given PAL, you will have to write PLE. Okay, this is the Shah Mosque, which is in Iran. You can see this type of roofs are common in Islamic building. This is called dome. This is called minar. Okay, also you can see in door they use this type of this is called arch. Here you can see this is called what? Arch. Okay, dome, arch, and this is called minar. Yes students, let's talk about some more fine examples of Arab art and literature. Okay, Arabian Nights is the collection of 1001 famous story. You must have heard the name of this Arabian Nights. Aladdin, Sindbad the Sailor, Ali Baba and 40 Thieves, and Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. All these stories are contained in Arabian Nights. Okay, they are included in 1001 stories. Okay, Arabian Nights. Famous universities at Baghdad, Iraq, Cairo, Egypt, Cordoba, Spain. These are famous universities established by Arabs. Okay, and Omar Khayyam and Ali Firdausi, they were famous poets. Omar Khayyam, he composed Rubaiyat. Okay. Algebra. Algebra was invented by Muqablai. Algebra was invented by Al-Jabrawal Muqablai. He invented algebra and gave all over the world. Okay. Also, Arabs also discovered alcohol, potash, nitric of silver, nitric acid, and sulfuric acid. Arabs also improved the use of compass. They could also do major surgeries. They also treated mental illness in a scientific way. Okay. Students, some questions were there. Let's cross check the answers of the chapter. Okay. Explain the term rightly guided caliphs. Term rightly guided caliphs. Why they were called rightly guided caliphs? Because they follow Qurans to rule. This answer is given in page number 26. Page number 26, second passage. Page number 26, second passage, first paragraph. Okay. Here, rightly, fourth line. They used as written in book. You just have to write, rightly guided caliphs used the Quran and Muhammad's action as guides to leadership. Their rule was called a caliphate. Okay, this you will write in this answer. Next question is, name two dynasties under which Islamic culture flourished and developed. Name two dynasties, Abbasid and Umayyads. These two dynasties name you will write. Name the great poets of Islamic world. Name the great poets of Islamic world. Umar Khayyam and Ali Firdausi. This is given in your book. And one question is there which will be included in assignment. Assignment 4. Mention any two teachings of Prophet Muhammad. Mention any two teachings of Prophet Muhammad. This is in page number 24. Page number 24. Here, page number 24. First paragraph. Okay. First line, the new religion of Islam taught that the new religion of Islam taught that there was one God, Muhammad. There was one God, full stop. Then Muhammad was the last in a series of prophets and messengers. Prophet Muhammad was the last messenger of God, was the last messenger. Okay. One long answer type question is there with this assignment. Explain the expansion of Islam under the Umayyad and Abbasid. This question, this answer is given in page number, just take out page number 27. Page number 27 here, the Umayyad. First, with heading you will write the Umayyads. The Umayyads was the first great Muslim dynasty under Abd al dynasty to rule the empire of the Caliphate AD 661 to 750, sometimes referred to as the Arab Kingdom. Under Abd al-Malik, the Umayyad Caliphate reached its height. Caliphate reached its peak. Then leave 4 lines. In an extensive program of Arabization, Arabic became the official state language. The financial administration of the empire was reorganized. Leave a line. A new Arabic coinage replaced the earlier coins. Communications also improved with the introduction of a regular post service from Damascus to the provincial capital, and architecture flourished. This you will write about Umayyad's dynasty. Then after Abbasid, first leave first line. In second line, it grew is written Abbasid dynasty. In place of it, you will write Abbasid dynasty grew to maturity. Abbasid dynasty grew to maturity in the 1st century of the Abbasid dynasty. To solidify power, Abbasid moved the capital of the empire in 762 to a newly created city, Baghdad, in central Iraq. Then leave 2 lines. The Abbasid developed a strong bureaucracy to conduct the huge empire's affairs. Again leave 4 lines. To support this bureaucracy, the Abbasid taxed land, imports and exports, and non-Muslim wealth. Next paragraph, under the Abbasid rulers, there was a significant growth of new towns and great wealth. Leave a line. The Arab ships known as dhows carried goods from Asia to Europe and Africa. All the profit got from trade was used to construct beautiful buildings, mosques, hospitals and schools. There was increase in handicraft production. Leave 2 lines. Next paragraph, within a short span to Spain and beyond. This much you have to write. This is long answers type question, so you have to write answer in long. Do not make it short. Students, I request you all to search answers within the chapter. They all are given in the chapter. You go in Google, write answers from there. The language of Google is difficult for you. In easy, all the answers are given in easy words. I want you all to write answers from the book or from the video I shared. Okay, I have told everything in video. You have to watch video completely. You have to watch complete video. Then you will understand the chapter easily if you watch complete video, and then after you read the topics which I have covered in video. You will understand everything. No need to search in Google after that if you do so. Okay, students, you have to do these exercises. Exercise CD in book. Also you have to do this question based on skill. You have to do identify the given historical place. This you have to do in book. Okay, that's all for the day. Keep sending your assignments on time. Thank you.